You are outstanding. This video is for you to relax and feel a sense of pride. Remember that you are outstanding and you are not alone. So breathe deeply. Breathe in a sense of pride. Breathe in a sense of strength. Breathe out any bullying. Breathe out any homophobia. Breathe out any stress. And breathe in confidence. Breathe in self-esteem. Breathe in a sense of connection. Breathe in and know that you belong. And even when you feel like you're alone and you're different from everyone else, even though you may feel sometimes like you're the only one, remember that if you look, you will start to see there are others like you, and yes, you belong. Breathe in that sense of belonging. Breathe in that sense of connection. Breathe in that sense of being outstanding. And know that there are many others that are just like you. And know that wherever you are on the rainbow that is sexuality, wherever you may be, remember that you are outstanding. And if you are gay, you are outstanding. And if you are lesbian, you are outstanding. Look at the beauty in this bead and remember that you are beautiful. You are outstanding, just like this bead. And you are full of the light, full of connection, full of beauty, full of strength. If you are lesbian, you are outstanding. If you are gay, you are outstanding. If you are straight, you are outstanding. If you are bi, you are outstanding. If you make mistakes, you are outstanding. If you are trans, you are outstanding. And when you look, even when you feel that you're all alone, remember that if you look, you will start to find others who are just like you are. And yes, you belong. You are outstanding. Breathe in pride. Breathe out homophobia. Breathe in confidence. And breathe out stress. Breathe in beauty. Breathe out hate. Breathe in love. And breathe out stress. Remember, if at any time you would like more of a sense of connection, more of a sense of pride, more of a sense that you are outstanding, you can join us at yououtstanding.com for free videos for pride, free gay-friendly movie trailers, free gay-friendly posters, free gay-friendly tips, free gay-friendly community resources. And know that yes, you do belong. And know that yes, you are outstanding.